Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. We have original function and first derivative of the function. We can use about integrating factor. So that should be about mu s equals to e to the power of the integration. We have tan s next to y, that is about integrating factor. So we put this tan s going here. We know that tan s, that's about sine s over cosine s. The integration of this one, we have e to the power of negative ln of cosine s. So negative side go inside about natural law. And this one we will have about cosine of s to the power of negative number 1. So we have 1 over cosine s. That means we multiply both sides by 1 over cosine s. Tan s, that is about sine s over cosine s. So we combine two fractions and we have sine s over cosine s squared. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. So we can apply about the product rule of derivative. So we know that we have y, first derivative of y, that's about first derivative of u multiplied by v plus first derivative of v multiplied by u. Now, if we look carefully, this is about first derivative of u multiplied by v. Sine s over cosine s squared, that is about first derivative of v multiplied by u. So if we do this integration, we have y equals to uv. So about this one, we will have about y over cosine s. The integration of number 0, you got about c. And now we have the conditions. That means when s equals to b, y equals to number 2. So we put the value going here to find the value of the constant. So y, we have number 2. S, we have b. So we calculate about this one. And we have negative number 1 in here. So we have negative number 2. And later that, we change c into negative number 2. And this is the final answer. And we multiply both sides by cosine s. This is the end. Thank you for watching.